Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a TFG voucher online. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Right, I've created a Google Doc here on how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is obviously get your voucher ready and then go ahead and visit the TFG website. So go to the official TFG website or the specific TFG brand where you would want to make your purchase. For example, Fashini, Markham, Sports Scene, etc. And then from there, log in or create an account. Select your items. So browse the website, select the items you want to purchase and add them to your shopping cart. And then once you've selected all your items, click on the shopping cart icon and proceed to the checkout. On the checkout page, look for a field labeled gift card, voucher code or promo code. And then put in your TFG voucher code in that provided field. Click on apply button to apply your voucher code to your order. The value of the voucher will be deducted from your total purchase amount. If the voucher covers the entire amount, you can proceed to confirm your order. If there is a remaining balance, you will need to pay the difference using a credit card, debit card, etc. Then from there, just review your order details and confirm your purchase. And additional tips here, so check your voucher expiry, ensure your TFG voucher is still valid and has not expired, because that does happen. If you have multiple vouchers, check if the website allows you to use more than one voucher per order, because some do and some don't. And if you got any problems, just contact TFG customer support for assistance.